so glad to be here. It's a great place where you meet distributors, you meet your clients, you meet people from all over the beauty industry, and being one of the India's biggest hair and beauty exhibition, this is the place to be where you want to have your own company represented.
This is the first time I've taken a stall at Professional Beauty India, and I found the experience really good. It was very well organized, and the people who have designed it and everything was also excellent service.
We got a great response, and I congratulate PB for hosting such a great show, and we look forward to this association in the coming years.
I'm a visitor this time, but I am loving this show. I mean, it's gone at least 40% bigger this year. Professional beauty is taking to definitely another level with professional education, with new brands, new things in the market, bringing people from all over the world together, and we'll see you as a participant next year.